Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, I have some amazing Amazon deals to share with you. Now, we mostly have tool deals. We have a few other things I sprinkled in there that I think you'd like. They are all going to be linked down below. And hey, it's actually before 8 a.m. when I'm recording this. So good morning, fellas. Woke up about 5 o'clock this morning, which is very unusual for me. I think it's all the excitement about this upcoming Bears playoff victory. I think that's what it is. Just couldn't sleep. So excited to see my Bears win a playoff game tonight. Just can't wait. Everything's going to be linked down below. Before we get to the Amazon deals, super quick, I want to show you Harbor Freight has some free item coupons for this weekend only. So I'll link this down below as well. They are all free with purchase, but you can get the microfiber cleaning cloths. You can get the zip ties, which I think is what I'm going to get. I actually have some uses. I need some more zip ties used up all my others, and then we can get the ultra brighter, so they say, LED work light. It's the oblong puck light. So any of those. Now, I also put this little banner up at the top because I created another page on my site. I'm going to link this one down below as well. The cheapest Harbor Freight items. These are your cart fillers when we have those free item coupons where we need a purchase. And we got a whole little table of items under $1. Then we have some more stuff where it gets a little bit more expensive, but still under $2. So I have this page down there for you as well. So you have a couple of options on cheap things to get your free stuff. Now, speaking of cheap things, these compressed air duster, cordless duster guys have just been plummeting in price, and I love it because they're really fun to use. This one is 16 a lot of 0 RPMs, 4-gear adjustable electric air duster by Minmup. 40% off, so a little rechargeable fan there. It'll really blow your hair back, literally. Don't you hate when people say literally and it's not literally at all? But this will literally blow your hair back. $19.99, 40% off. That's going to take off $8. You're going to pay $11.99 for this. It's supposed to go through the end of February, you guys know. Promo codes don't last that long if you want it. You got to get it now, but it's super, super cheap. These things were so much more expensive. It's amazing to see the price drops. Love it. Next up, some wireless earbuds. Bluetooth in-ear earbuds. Noise canceling, clear calls, deep bass, hi-fi stereo earphones. 35-hour playtime by Igenjun. Love these with these little cases because you stick them in the case and the case will charge them all up. You see your battery level on each side. Bluetooth, normally $29.99. Now we have a $10 coupon right now on the Amazon page, so it's only $19.99, and it is a strict limit of 1. You can buy more than 1, but you got to pay full price for any subsequent ones that you get. So I'd recommend just 1. You don't want to overpay here, okay? $19.99, some Bluetooth earbuds. Maybe my favorite deal of the video, hopefully this one lasts a while, it's the wireless magnetic trailer lights, Bluetooth trailer lights, tail lights, fast charging, 10-hour battery life, 100-foot range by Serputz. 50% off, so it comes with the handy-dandy case, and you plug this guy into your regular trailer wiring or whatever, you know, your port, your plug-in in the back of your truck. And then you stick these guys on your trailer, your boat, whatever you got, and it wirelessly connects. So super easy to change if you have more than one item that you're towing around. Probably not at once, but you know what I mean. Don't have to worry about damaging the wires. I bought a brand new wiring kit for my trailer, and then after the first time I used it with the new lights, I broke 2 of the wires screwing around. $65.99, but there is a 50% discount at the checkout, so it's only, $32.50? Really, really good deal. You can't even get like a normal one for that price, and this one's wireless. Much better. No coupon, no promo code. As soon as you add it to your cart, if it's still available, you'll see that discount in your cart. I had a whole bunch of logs and really heavy shit in the back of my 4x8 Harbor Freight trailer, and I couldn't get it, I loaded it with that mini excavator, and I have the sidewalls on it, and things just got all like tangled up and stuck in there, and I couldn't get it out because as I was trying to grab it with the thumb on the excavator and pull the stuff out, it was like moving the whole trailer around. It wasn't just picking out. Like, oh man, this is such a mess now. So then my bright idea was to take the back wall off of it and use the excavator to pick up the tongue of the trailer and just like dump all the stuff out the back. It sounded like it was a good idea that would work. Well, I couldn't grab it very well, for one. The thumb wouldn't close all the way, so it didn't work real well for grabbing it. I did pick it up, but in the process, I wasn't thinking about the wires, and the bucket ripped off the wires, so now I gotta splice them all and put them back together. I also messed up the trailer pretty good, because a few times I picked it up and then unintentionally dropped it, and it was full of all the, I mean, there was a lot of weight in it. Yeah, it didn't work out well, actually. 40-in-1 magnetic ratchet screwdriver set. S2 steel multi-bit repair toolkit, detachable ratchet handle, portable compact case by Booty Waddy. Bring that Booty Waddy over here. 20% off. Handy dandy case. Now, usually the way these guys work, you got all the bits here. Usually there's an end on this side, so you can kind of see in the picture here. So you can use it as like a regular driver, or you can put it on here and do it as a T-handle, get a little bit more leverage on that thing. Keep those Phillips from camming out. Damn Phillips bits. 40-in-1 handy dandy case. Starts out at $18.99. Then we have a 20% promo code. It's going to take about $4 off. Not sure when that expires, but just posted it this morning, so it is working right now. Next up, we have an Endoscope camera, light, 5.5 millimeter, waterproof borescope, 4.3 HD screen, 16-foot rigid cable by JY Tone. It is 50% off. Another item that has gone down quite a bit in price. Pretty useful to have around. Even got these little attachments, although I've never been able to really get the hang of using these. Like, if I actually had to try and hook something with this, boy, you'd hear a lot of cussing out of me. A lot of it. But I guess, like, if you dropped a ring or something very valuable down the drain, you would give it the old college try to hook it. Well, they'd probably end up having to take it apart. $40.99, 50% off, so just about $20 for this guy. Supposed to go through the end of January. They are super useful it's like a love-hate relationship with an endoscope. Really useful to have, can really help you out in certain situations, but they're still kind of a pain in the ass to use. Even the really nice ones, still kind of a pain in the ass. 4-pack solar lights, outdoor waterproof, 3-level ultra bright spotlights by Kexita. 50% off on the 4-pack here. Really like these little yard landscape spotlights. For whatever reason, they're more expensive than all of the other solar lights that we see. That's pretty universal no matter what brand you're looking at. But you got the little solar panel there. You got the ground stake. $31.99, but then 50% off, so you're only at about $16 for these guys. Cutting that price in half was at $4 a light. It's a really good deal, actually. I could use it as a flag light. Might not be bright enough. Might have to attach it to the pole somehow. Wireless CarPlay adapter 2025 upgrade mini design USB-C plug and play converts CarPlay to wireless by Igenjun. 50% off. Works for both iPhones and Android. Don't have to actually tether your phone to get Android Auto. Newer vehicles you don't anyways, but you got that middle porridge of Android Auto, but only wired connections. $35.99, 50% off. Going to be about $18 on that guy going through the end of the month. 2-pack hand warmers, rechargeable, portable electric hand warmers by Lerat. USB 2-in-1, 27% off, but they were already super cheap, even without the promo code. So you guys know I love these because I'm always freezing nowadays. Is it like a getting old thing? As you get older, you're just cold all the damn time? I think it is. I'm going to blame it on that. Keep them in your pocket. It's only $9.47, and I would pay $9.47 for a 2-pack because that's under $5 each. But then we have the 27% promo code. Does work on multiple quantities. That's right. Get a little ace bandage, throw this thing on your shoulder, then wrap it up. Oh, yeah. You got men's cozy memory foam slippers, fuzzy wool-like, not wool, wool-like lining, slip-on washable indoor house shoes by Dream Pairs. 29% off. Now, these had different sizes, obviously, different colors. I would imagine for sure the promo code's going to work on different sizes. I don't know if it worked on the different colors on the page. I didn't check that. But starts out at $13.99. You're taking almost 30% off. Brings you under $10. Got a couple days to take advantage of that one going through the 13th. It's little house slippers. Got the electric vacuum suction cup, 440-pound lifter, digital display, 8-hour battery, tile, floor, windshield, 3-layer, leak-proof by MTNTE. 50% off. That's a big one, isn't it? Yeah, little baby ones. This one's a big one. 440 pounds, though. I don't know, what are you going to lift with it? You're going to need to borrow my excavator to pick that thing up. $69.99, 50% off. It's going to be $34.99. We do have two different options here. You got this promo code here. If that doesn't work, try this promo code here. And you got another day to take advantage. Quarter-inch ratchet, 90-tooth socket wrench. Who calls it a socket wrench? Please don't call it a socket wrench. Reversible ratchet wrench. Don't call it that either. Just call it a damn ratchet. We also don't need to call it ratchet handle. Just ratchet. Quick release by Duratech. Who remembers when Duratech was called Gear Drive? Anyone? Anyone remember that? They got sued by GearWrench and had to change their name. 90-tooth ratchet. Now, I have a Gear Drive ratchet. Mine's 3/8 drive, but it is a 90-tooth. One thing I will say about these, I feel like they're pretty well built. They're heavy. It's a very heavy ratchet. If you were to pick this up next to any other, it's the heaviest ratchet I probably own of similar size. I don't know what that means. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. It's pretty comfortable in the hand. It works fine. I haven't managed to break mine. I just notice every time I pick it, I'm like, damn, this is a heavy ratchet. It's only $6.49. Prime members are getting free shipping. I feel like that's a damn good deal on a 90-tooth ratchet. GearWrench mechanic set, tool set, 3-drawer storage box, 232 pieces, quarter and 3/8 drive, metric and SAE. Now they have another set that is a little bit similar, so make sure you're not getting these confused. I think the easiest way to determine this one and the other is the other set comes with ratcheting wrenches, and this looks like all standard combination wrenches. But it's on sale on Amazon right now for $156.24. It's the 3-drawer. You got the driver. You got a bunch of the socket bits over here. You got some deep wells, some shallows, the hex keys, 2 ratchets, all those wrenches. Really nice thing about this set is all the wrenches that you're getting, because all of the other $99 sets, whether it's the Craftsman or the Cobalt, the Husky, all that, the wrenches are like an afterthought. There's 4 wrenches in the set. Why did you even bother? Either give me a full set or don't give me any. I don't need 4. That doesn't help most of the time. So here at least we're getting a full set of them. And, I would say GearWrench better quality than the Cobalt or the Huskies or something. Now, Home Depot has the same set at $199. Napa sells it for $237. So a nice little deal over there on Amazon for the GearWrench. Craftsman mechanic tool set. This is the 1/4 inch, but it's only 20 pieces. Getting your sockets, 1/4 inch ratchet, extension. And one thing I thought was really annoying about this, both the title and the bullet point description does not state whether it is SAE or metric. I feel like 1/4 inch drive, that's enough sockets that it's both. Those are probably both. But why don't we say? Lowe's does that sometimes too. Very annoying. When it comes to the mechanic sets, whether it's metric, SAE, or both, is probably the primary thing you're looking at. That or what drive it is. Either way, it should be in the damn title. But it's only $19.98. Now that is price matching Acme Tools. Of course, they're going to charge you another $6 for shipping. And then we got the full-blown retail there, $37 at Lowe's. I'd recommend you probably don't buy it from Lowe's, at least not at this point. But hey, some people stand in front of cars, and you would think that would be like the logical thing is not to stand in front of cars. So people do stupid shit. So I don't know. Someone may buy it from Lowe's for $37. 10 amp battery charger, 12 volt, 24 volt, lead acid portable car battery charger, 8-stage trickle charger. Got a Dick Trickle here. Smart battery maintainer by Nexpeak. 40% off. It's a cute little guy there. Now, I was wondering if this is the same brand we have seen in the past for years and years, probably 5 or 6 years now. There is a brand called Ampeak. And they sell battery chargers and jump starters and very similar items. So when I saw this one, Nexpeak, I was like, is this just the same brand? And it even looks like, I think Ampeak might be orange and black. $35.99, 40% off. So we're almost cutting that in half. You're going to be real close to $20. Nice little battery charger. This one, oh, damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Let me check and see if this still works or not. When I add the item to my cart, I still do have the discount, but it just says promotion applied, so I don't know if it's this promo code working or if it's this promo code working. But right now, one of those two promo codes is working. Last thing I want to show you guys is I updated the weekly tool deal list. Again, I got to update this. We're up to 16,000 Amazon products that my website is constantly updating the prices and information on. So we take the 100 most discounted tools of that 16,000 and put them in a list for you guys. And you can see I posted this at 12:11 a.m. You know what that means? That means I was awake at 12:11 a.m. and then I woke up at like 5 a.m. I'm not running on much sleep right now. But we'll take a little scroll now. Most of this is all brand name stuff because it doesn't rely on promo codes or coupons. It's just sale prices, and it's whatever Amazon says the original price was. Like we got this 28-piece 6-point. Now the 6-point wrenches are more expensive than regular 12-point. You're getting both SAE and metric. I don't know if they're ever worth $191. That seems like a little bit, even for the GearWrenchers. But $81 on a 28-piece set, and they're kind of specialty. I got a set of these 6-point ones, and I like them. Because I'm in the Midwest where things get rusty and crusty. Sometimes the 12-pointers are just slipping. But you got a lot of stuff here. $14.98 on the cordless soldering iron, kind of like that. So make sure to check it out. I tried to do my best to remove anything that the price wasn't accurate anymore. Some ratcheting, little stubbies, little midgets. Got the midgets. Get the midgets out. $48.99. $14.99 on this 3/8 drive, like it even tells us this time. A metric, you can get that 1/4 inch one and this 3/8 one. So anyways, you can see how much the progress bar is. We got lots and lots to go through. We don't need to look through all of it. I'll let you guys scroll on your own. $4.99 for those. I like those little bit holders. Perfect to put on your belt loop, up on a ladder or something. Don't got to worry about dropping it. Got all the bits that you'll need right with you. $4.99. I really like that. This guy's still at $12.50. This has been going on for a while now, but your Titan sledgehammer, 3-pound sledgehammer for only $12.50. Big fan of that one. The split and wedge, we saw that $12.78 last week. So yeah, just lots of really good prices on here. Again, update that every Saturday. So something to look forward to. All the new, spicy new deals. Look at this. This Titan Stubby midget 12-point set. Metric, only $10.99. Alright guys, that's it. I will leave that for you to scroll through the rest. Everything will be linked down below. And hey, go Bears. Bears. Go Bears.